Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos of the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Warlord Secrets. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how the Warlord Secrets works. Now as a reminder, this new product launch will go on live on the September 14th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's the US time, by the way, so you'll be able to get access to the Warlord Secrets when it goes on live. And the best part is you can get discounted price for this digital product launch during this launch period of the Warlord Secrets, and this is a limited time offers, so make sure to pick this up before the price will go up soon. And now to get this discounted price, you can actually click the link down below in this video to check it out. And also I'm offering you my free bonuses here, and I will show you how you can get this product here so you can retrieve my free bonuses offer by clicking the link down below in this video. Just keep an eye on to my bonus banner and we'll go from there. Now I'm here inside of the members area of the Warlord Secrets. Now to put this briefly, Warlord Secrets is actually a software that comes in this members area that will help you automate the whole process of making money from affiliate offers and created results back method from Will. And he is actually the one who created this method, but then with Philip and Dan, they all partner up and they have been using this for months, and there's actually a case study for this that you can check out just to see that this is a proven method. Now, Will is actually leveraging this hidden traffic source called Quora to thousands of views, leads, and sales to all his links. Now, I want to talk about the benefits of Warlord Secrets. Now the benefit of this is 100% beginner friendly, so if you are a beginner and a newbie, you can actually go ahead and follow along with this each of the training modules here. It's really easy to follow as long as you're consistent, and this is a get buyer traffic to any link. So if you are offering your affiliate links from Warrior Plus, could be from ClickBank, could be any affiliate links that you can offer, this can be applied to this method. And it's an all-in-one solution for affiliate marketing. And so if you wanna promote your affiliate links, but then you have no time for creating your website, you just don't have time to create videos just like me, but this is actually a good solution for you to start earning money using the Quora method. But I'll get into that after I finish describing this product. And also, you don't need to have a website, you don't need an email list and funnels as well, so you don't need any of those extra stuff because it's already been all of this has been automated for you to start offering all your affiliate links. There are no further investments, there are no additional costs. This is just a one-time fee, so all you got to do is just purchase this during the launch period on the September 14th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time during the US time. And there is no learning curve. This is really easy to follow video-based training. All you gotta do is just copy and paste or just watch the video training, see how the case studies works from Will, and then just apply what you learn from this method. Now let's start from the welcome message from Philip. He's actually great. He makes a lot of money from this program. And so as with Dan, so Philip and Dan are actually both the creators of this program along with Will, because Will provided a case study for this method that this works 100%. Now here are the welcome videos. The next is to if you want to make the 43K in 7 days, you can actually go ahead and watch the video of this. Now after you watch the video of this, then you can click here to sign up for the free training. So click on it, and then you'll find out more about the training for this business method. Now here is the main training. So as you can see here, so each of the modules comes with different modules here. So this is the identifying the buyer questions video, and the next would be the navigating your search. So this is pretty much Will is going to walk you through how to do all the navigating your search. Then he's actually going to show you how to do the ninja keyword techniques. Next would be additional keyword hacks that you're going to be learning from Will. Here is the content generation. So he's going to explain this to you on the video. So like I said again, just keep watching the video and just apply what you learn. Now this is the staying safe in Quora. Now if you don't know Quora, this is Quora. It's like a forum website platform. So basically a lot of people ask questions to Quora, and pretty much everyone will be answering their questions here. Whoever asked the question, then you have to leave a high quality answer or a response to it. So you can't just apply your affiliate links from here, just so you know, so you don't get kicked out from or get banned from Quora. So you have to be careful with adding affiliate links to Quora, because they don't like because affiliate marketers sometimes they do overdo it by adding affiliate links, and they've been adding it so many times that it can come across as spammers. So be careful with adding affiliate links through the Quora. But then there is a loophole way on how you could do it. So that's why if you decide to purchase Warlord Secrets, Will is going to explain to you, and he's going to be showing you how to stay safe on Quora right over here. And here is the monetization technique on how you can start monetizing your affiliate links using the Quora, and the 3 times your traffic. Now again, Will is going to explain to you on a video walkthrough of how you can make sure that you're gonna have all the traffic you need so you can start earning money from this method. Here is the automate your Quora. So this is the software that I mentioned to you above. Here is where you can click to get to your credits, get the lowest plan. This is where you can download if you are a Windows user. Here is for Mac user. And here are the upgrades available here if you're interested in upgrading the product for Warlord Secrets. Now that's pretty much it. So this is all the content that you're going to be getting from the Warlord Secrets. Now again, this is high quality content that you're going to be learning to start monetizing all this content here that you're going to be learning from Warlord Secrets. Now over here is I'm going to talk about my bonus page. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. If you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Warlord Secrets, this is going to go live on September 14th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And right down here is where you can actually go ahead and pick this up. Now you'll need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here. Now when the countdown is gonna run out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim my free bonuses for you, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. All you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description of this video. Just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here to go through to the sales page where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now if you have any questions about the bonuses, please follow me on my Facebook page, which you will find over here, and send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page, and just scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's where you can actually go ahead and pick this up. Now I want to talk about the price for the Warlord Secrets. Now, this is only the this one here, the front end of the Warlord Secrets that I'm showing you in the walkthrough. That's actually $12.95 of the front end of the Warlord Secrets. And if you're interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, you can actually go ahead and check out my bonus page here. All you gotta do is scroll down and make sure to check out the available upgrades for the Warlord Secrets. Now, bear in mind, if you consider checking out the upgrades here, please make sure to check it out, because if you're interested in increasing your chances of earning more money, then you're gonna have to check here onto my bonus page and then read each of the available upgrades that you'd like to check out, and feel free to consider upgrading your product for the Warlord Secrets so that you can start monetizing more money from this method. Now, when you click the link down below to purchase the Warlord Secrets, now I'm going to be offering you my free bonuses. Now, this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. Now, after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. So make sure to click the link down below in this video to check out Warlord Secrets. And if you have any questions, then again, you can find me on my Facebook page that I provided onto my bonus page, and go ahead and send me a message right there. Now, remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $12.95 during the launch period of Warlord Secrets. And once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses, because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 17th. So that's on a Friday. And once September 17th is gonna happen on that day, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and you won't be able to access all my free bonuses along with this new product launch during this coming week of the Warlord Secrets. Now, make sure that you're gonna be looking up onto my bonus page here, because this new product launch is only $12.95. So it doesn't cost you $20, but it's only $12.95 for you to start monetizing this method, that you're gonna be earning money from this method called Warlord Secrets. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Warlord Secrets review. Now, I hope you enjoy my review video. Now, make sure to click the link below to purchase the Warlord Secrets at the discounted price. And also, don't forget to check out my free bonuses that you can find out down below in the description of this video. Now, I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Make sure to subscribe and like my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.